Behind-the-ear BTE hearing aids are a fantastic choice for children, not only because they're comfortable and effective, but because they allow for easy swapping of ear molds. As children grow, their ear canal shape and size change, and it's essential to adapt accordingly. With BTE hearing aids, you can simply replace the mold without needing to change the entire device. Even better, at HearingGuru.com, these BTE ear molds are also available on rent, making hearing care more affordable and accessible for every family.